When doing the HTML assignment, I recommend you put the assignment in one folder. Here I've created a folder called HTML assignment, and in here I have a graphics folder that my graphics go in, my PNGs, my screen captures, and outside of that graphics folder my HTML files will go. Now for this assignment you're going to need Notepad, which is a text editor that comes free with Windows, notepad.exe, or you're going to need a text editor for the Mac. Do not use TextPad. Use Text Wrangler. You can find Text Wrangler on the web, and it is a text editor for the Mac. Do all your work in Text Wrangler. I don't want to see you guys using Word or anything else to create HTML. I will know, I will grade you down. You're going to use text editors for this work. So, in my assignment folder, I'm going to open this text file. And this text file has the minimal HTML markup your web browser needs. There's a doc type statement that tells browsers what this is. So Google Chrome opening this would know that this is an HTML file based on this doc type statement. There is a title, there is a head section, and there is a body section. All of your work, all of your content goes in the body section. You can Google what the head section and the title section are used for. Notice HTML tags work in pairs. Title tag opens, and then with a / the title tag closes. Capitalization is important. For all of your folders, file names, and tag names, keep them all lowercase. If you put something uppercase, you're going to run into problems, so use them lowercase. The head section tag opens, the head section tag closes. The body section tag opens, the body section tag closes. Most HTML tags work in pairs. The doc type tag is an exception, and image tags are an exception. So let me make this useful. I'm going to create a paragraph, and HTML for a paragraph tag is a P. So I will open a paragraph tag and I will close it because it works in pairs. You can use Google to find out what common HTML tags there are that you can use. And I'm going to type hello world. And that will be my statement. So I have this text file. It says hello world. It's got mandatory HTML in it. I'm going to close it. So here I can see I double-click this TXT file. On the Macs, you're going to open this in Text Wrangler. On the PCs, you're going to open it in Notepad, and you can see here's my text. Now notice what happens when I change this file name to HTML. Now when I open this, it opens in my browser. It opens in Google Chrome. And you can see Google Chrome proudly displays hello world. So for all of that text that I wrote, the only thing that this browser is rendering are the words hello world. They are in the body section there between the P tags. This is the first thing you should do to test out your HTML skills. Now you need to edit this file. Well, you can't edit it in the browser. This is being displayed, this is being rendered for you. You need to edit in Text Wrangler or Notepad. So you can either change that extension back to TXT, or if you choose, leave the extension as HTML, right-click and choose Open With. And then the Open With list, you're going to choose Notepad. Now, if you got the tag wrong, you would need to edit it here. For example, I could add another P. Let me add a heading tag. So here is a heading tag. You can see the heading tag is H1. Does that bring back any thoughts of what we're doing for styles in this class this semester? So I'm going to call this HTML test heading. And I'm going to save this file. I'm going to close this file, and then I'm going to open the file, and you can see that now we have a heading and our paragraph text. This is how you can get started with HTML. Make sure you can do this before you do anything that's more complex.